Hello friends, today I'm going to make a tomato glowing face mask with this BioFace machine. Okay, here is the machine. Okay, alert. Do not put this little plug in the hole. Please. I did that and I couldn't get it out with this twister. I had to use the needle, so don't do that. This other hole, yes. This is the mask plate. This is the collagen pills, cleaning brush, little measurement cup. Let's see what else. Microscopic knife. Okay, here I'm smashing the tomatoes because you're not supposed to put anything chunky in the hole. Okay, be careful plugging this machine.
Electrocuted.
Okay, like Dalrian says, smile, be happy, and enjoy. Okay, one thing about this machine is very
Persistent.
so if you don't want to go crazy, try to have everything ready.
Persistent.
Only the liquids, no chunks. I told you, she won't stop talking unless you have everything ready to put in the hole. Pour carefully.
Please add the nutrient solution.
I told you so. Only liquids, no chunks.
Please add the nutrient solution. Please add collagen peptide and press start button.
Please do not eat this pill or swallow it.
This is not for your mouth hole.
What the?
He's interrupting my video.
I bet that was my husband.
Oh no, I'm scared, I'm gonna blow up. Oh no. Just kidding. Remember what that Rian says. Be happy and
Please add
smile.
collagen peptide and press start button. Please wait while processing.
Okay, I'm gonna be using this highlighting powder from Wet n Wild, and the name is Hustle and Glow, aka Dar Rien.
Baby.
Yeah, it's me. With the makeup brush, brush it all over the mask plate. You want your whole face to glow, right? Please do not drink this liquid, you thirsty people. Okay, I got it. I know.
Please put mask
I
plate
think it's ready.
pour out the mask liquid on it by pressing the button on the top.
Yes, madam. I guess keep pressing the button until all the liquid is out.
Please switch to clean mode by pressing start button.
Not yet until you give me all this liquid. I have a big face. I need every
Please switch
single
to clean
drop.
mode by pressing start button. Please switch to clean mode by pressing start
Not
button.
yet. Okay, now I'm ready.
Please add pure water.
The same amount of liquid that you put in, you put back. You do the math.
Please add pure water. Please press start button to. Please wait while cleaning.
With this brush, clean the machine. Sorry, it's hard to do this with one hand.
Please wait while. Welcome to use it again.
I think it's ready now. Look how much glow. Oh, yeah. Please don't forget this step. Use this little knife to go all around the mask or it's going to break. Big mistake. Don't do this. Don't do this. You will see why later in the video. Go around the mouth, nose, and eyes too. Let me get something to pull my hair back. Okay, I'm back. What do you think? This is back enough? Okay, I'm ready. Ready. Woohoo, it's cool now. Okay, like Dalrian says, smile, be happy, and enjoy. Wow! Wow! Sorry, I like that. You see what happened to the mask? That's the part that I left. Give me a kiss. Ta-da! What do you guys think? I glow? It looks good. It feels good too. Here is a close-up. I see the glow and I like it. It says that tomatoes are rich in nutrients and some can be directly absorbed by the skin. Tomatoes are called the warehouse of vitamins. Thank you for watching, friends. Don't forget to subscribe.